Focus on the booster. There's a pressure anomaly.
Confirmed. Rerouting auxiliary power.
Thruster alignment looks good. Good, proceed. The main stage connects here.
And the engine specs?
I'll check the thrust data.
Looks solid.
Agreed. Check the left side alignment. Looks good. Core is next. Right side is set. Confirmed. Check the alignment on the upper flange. It's within spec. Securing now. Torque to 80. Copy that. Pressure holding at 1.58. Look. Got it. I'll adjust the flow. Good. Monitor the core temp. On it. All right, steady on the descent, clear below. Copy that, looks good from here. Engines aligned, proceed. Check the power levels on the main bus. They're stable, I'm rerouting the auxiliary. Good, monitor for no anomalies. Check this weld here. Looks good, torque specs match. I'll get the alignment tool. Good, let's recheck the sensors.